culture.
Want to be entertained with more Black trivia and much more facts?
Well, this is a place to go.
Hey, did you know the first computer was made by a Black person?
No, I didn't know. Where'd you find out?
Congoli Solo, where you can find more information like this and much more.
Make sure to check out the Your Space section,
where you can put your own publications, events, ads, and even your thoughts. Want more information? Go to www.congolisolo.net.
Congoli Solo forever.